welcome back to Vlogmas. We're getting ready to go over to community college so he can take his placement test so he can register for classes for winter term. So I got some snacks, some oranges, oh there's oranges up here, and a book, and downloaded some Netflix shows because I'm going to sit in the truck and wait so then I can go with him to talk to an advisor afterwards. And yeah, so then when we get back, we're gonna do the Bean Boozled challenge, so you guys will see that a little bit later. And I think that's pretty much our day. Yep. Are we doing anything else? Nope. I don't think so. I need to work on some orders at some point, especially before we leave on our trip and go home. So yeah. Yep. Hey guys, I'm just waiting for Zach to be done with his placement test. He only started like 20 minutes ago though, so I'm probably gonna be here for a while. I might run to the store and go grab some wrapping paper for those gifts I got my roommates, because I thought I had tissue paper and I was just gonna use that, but apparently I don't. So yeah, I was a super awesome girlfriend and moved the truck for Zach because we weren't sure like where his placement test even was or where any of the buildings were. So we parked like on the other side of campus, like way far away. So I moved pretty much like right in front of his building. But I parked like in the very back of the parking lot because I suck at parking as it is, even when I had my own car. But trying to drive this thing, yeah. Gonna lose. Hey guys.
Hi.
It's December 9th. We didn't upload the last 2 days, if you guys noticed.
Because we suck.
Yeah, we didn't have like any footage at all. We had like 2 minutes total from both days combined. I only got like one short clip of him bowling last night. That was literally all we got for yesterday. So we're gonna combine the 7th, the 8th, and the 9th together into this one video. He's being a good boyfriend and making the bed right now because he keeps on tucking it from the wall. The light's on your face. So yeah, and then we're going to Disneyland. Hey, smart thinking, bud.
Yeah.
We are leaving in the morning to go to Seattle, and then we are flying on Tuesday to LA, and we're going to Disneyland.
You have way too much audio in the back.
I've done it before, and it sounds fine. So yeah, I'm sorry about the noise in the background. I'm working. Anyways, if someone would stop interrupting me, bud. We're going to Disneyland, and so we probably won't like upload vlogs from there like every single day because we're gonna be there from like 8 a.m. until probably when they close, and so we'll be like really tired when we get back to the motel. So on Wednesday, for my channel at least, I'm gonna upload a holiday apartment tour, so you guys can look out for that. And then we should have regular vlogs Monday and Tuesday. They'll probably not go up at 8 though, just because Monday we're going to the football game and we probably won't get back to the hotel until like later. And then Thursday should be a regular vlog. Friday should be a regular vlog because we'll be back from Disneyland. And then Saturday we'll be back home, so that should be a regular vlog too. So yeah, I don't think he's gonna upload anything on his channel that day though. But yeah.
I know better than to call back. I missed your call, I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault, I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. Me and weightless got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams,
Zach's in the shower right now. You guys might be wondering where the heck is our Bean Boozled challenge. We bought them right here. We still haven't filmed it because like every time we remember to do it, like we've just eaten, and I don't want to do it like right after I eat because I will probably puke. I don't think we're gonna do it now though. Honestly, I'm just not very excited to do it because I have tried those before because we did like a tour of the Jelly Belly factory like when they first had those come out like 10-12 years ago. So I got to try all of them, and yeah, I just don't want to do it, honestly. I was excited to do it because it would be a fun challenge, but since I have tried them before, yeah, I don't want to do it, so yeah. Got lots of snacks for the trip.
You forgot to
So
say,
I gotta buy like,
hey guys.
I got just some blackberries for Seattle. We can't take like produce to California, so we'll get that stuff there.
Goldfish, we got some Mickey Mouse kind of goldfish. We couldn't get any more produce because we can't bring it to California.
What is your problem, bud? What's wrong with the way I freaking...
Do it. Hey guys.
Stop.
Do it.
Why are you so mean?
We're vlogging.
Zachary?
Hey guys. Come on, do it.
Stop. I'm reading. I've been on this book for like over a month now. I got this at the dollar store. It's not like that bad of a book. It's just kind of slow, so it's taking me a while to get through it. And I'm editing today's vlog. And Zachary is watching football. I just uploaded my apartment tour and scheduled that for Wednesday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so that will go up then. And Thursday evening sometime will be our first Disneyland vlog.
Vlog.
Vlog. That's what he always calls it.
This chick's about to come in here and ask me to do something. Watch. Wait for it. What's up?
Bruh,
What?
what are you doing?
What do you mean?
Make the bed.
No.
Yes.
No.
And
Hey guys.
Stop. And that's gonna be it for
That's gonna be
today's
it for today's vlog.
Because we're not doing
We're not
anything
doing anything else.
Oh, we are
just gotta
packing.
edit the video. We do gotta pack, but we're not gonna do
Yeah.
anything else.
I'm just gonna edit the video, and we're just gonna chill and pack
Watch football.
and finish cleaning
And watch football.
and lost.
And watch football.
Yeah. So you wanna end the video this time since I always do?
What do
And
I
start
say?
them?
Bye.
Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. You suck at this, dude.
What?
Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog, which I know we usually like try to post at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, but we're going to be at the Vikings-Seahawks game tomorrow night, so that's probably not going to happen at 8. It'll go up whenever we like get back to the hotel and I have time to edit it. And
It'll be like
upload
10 or 11-ish at night.
Yeah.
It'll be a late one.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Adios.